Hello and welcome from Budapest. This is Hungary Reports from Public Media M1, bringing you a brief news roundup in English. I'm Árpád Szőci. Great that you can be with us. A new amendment to Hungary's constitution stipulates that a mother is a woman and a father is a man. The ruling was passed by a two-thirds majority, exactly what the ruling Fidesz party holds in parliament. The new law also guarantees that a child's gender is identified at birth and that the child will get an upbringing based on Hungary's constitutional character. Gender rulings are a hot topic of discussion in Europe. Hungary's Minister of Justice, Judit Varga, defended the amendment, saying that it protects the institutions of marriage and family. Parliament also changed the rules of how election lists are drawn up. The most important change is that out of the 106 individual voting districts, a national party must run at least 71 individual candidates and not just 27, as had been the case. That is to prevent parties from running with just a small number of candidates and yet profiting disproportionately from government financial support. On Monday, 107 people died of COVID-19 in Hungary, and almost 1,900 tested positive for coronavirus. Meanwhile, hospitals are still extremely busy treating almost 8,000 patients with the disease. However, Hungary, like so many countries in the European Union, is at least happy that the EU has now given permission for the first vaccines to be used on the continent. Well, Hungary is one of the most tested countries in the EU per capita for coronavirus. That's what the spokesperson for the government's information center, Őrs Farkas, announced on his Facebook page. Over the past few weeks, employees at schools, kindergartens, social care institutions, and healthcare centers were tested. And then later, so were civil servants in government offices and service centers. That makes Hungary rank 5th among countries in the European Union testing their population for coronavirus. 200,000 people in Hungary have already pre-registered to get a coronavirus vaccine. The state secretary at the cabinet office of the prime minister, Csaba Dömötör, said that there is still huge interest to pre-register. A week ago, the government launched the website vaccinainfo.gov.hu, where those interested can sign up.
The government has been negotiating with several manufacturers and has already reserved 17.5 million doses of vaccines. Mass vaccination can occur once they arrive. There could also be different types, and we have the necessary authorization. Lots of people are working to make this happen, and when we have new developments, we'll let you know.
And that's all for now from Hungary Reports, but we'll be back live the next night at around 11:20 p.m. Central European Time. You can also catch us in repeats and online. Thanks for watching, and please be careful out there. Keep your distance at work and in public, and wear a face mask. All the best, and viszontlátásra.